Imagine standing on a distant planet, the sun is in the sky. You wait. Minutes pass, then hours, but nothing changes. The sun barely moves. Now imagine the opposite. A world spinning so fast that day and night flash by in just hours. A planet so extreme, it begins to stretch under its own motion. These worlds are real. And they reveal something incredible. Earth's balance isn't normal. It's rare. Earth completes one full rotation every 24 hours. It's something we take for granted. But this simple motion controls everything. Day and night. Weather patterns. Ocean currents. Even the rhythm of life itself. Rotation creates balance. Change that balance, and everything changes. Some planets rotate incredibly slowly. So slowly, that a single day lasts longer than an entire year. On these worlds, the sun rises, and then takes months to cross the sky. The surface heats continuously. There is no relief. No cooling night. Just endless exposure. Some planets go even further. They become locked in place. One side always facing their star. The other side, trapped in darkness forever. On the day side, temperatures rise to extreme levels. Oceans can evaporate. The ground can burn. On the night side, temperatures drop endlessly. Everything freezes. The atmosphere itself can begin to collapse. Between these two extremes, there may be a narrow region. A thin band where the heat and cold meet. A place where conditions are not perfect, but survivable. A permanent twilight. This is the only place life might exist on such a world. But slow rotation doesn't just change temperature. It changes the entire atmosphere. Without regular heating and cooling cycles, winds grow stronger. Storms grow larger. Weather becomes more extreme. These are not temporary storms. They can last for years. Even centuries. Now imagine the opposite extreme. A planet spinning incredibly fast. So fast that a full day lasts only a few hours. On these worlds, the forces of rotation become powerful. The faster a planet spins, the more it begins to stretch. Its equator bulges outward. Its poles flatten. The entire shape begins to change. This rapid motion also transforms the atmosphere. Winds reach incredible speeds. Storm systems wrap around the planet. Clouds form long, continuous bands. The entire sky becomes dynamic and unstable. At even higher speeds, rotation begins to challenge gravity itself. The outward force at the equator increases. Material becomes less stable. The planet starts to lose its balance. Push this far enough, and the consequences become extreme. The outer layers of the planet may begin to drift away. Debris can escape into space. Rings may begin to form. The planet slowly starts to break apart. Some worlds may not survive this process. They stretch. They distort. And eventually, they collapse under their own motion. Compared to these extremes, Earth exists in a narrow, perfect range. Not too slow. Not too fast. Just enough rotation to distribute heat evenly. To stabilize weather. To allow life to grow and evolve. This balance shapes everything we know. The air we breathe. The oceans that sustain life. The climates that support ecosystems. All of it depends on motion. Across the universe, there are billions of planets. Many are too slow. Many are too fast. And only a few may have the balance needed for life. Earth is not just in the right place. It moves in the right way. And that may be far rarer than we ever imagined. But even with this perfect balance, a new force is emerging on our planet. Not driven by physics. Not shaped by nature. But created by us. Intelligence. Artificial intelligence. And unlike planets, it doesn't follow natural limits. It can grow. It can evolve. And it may one day reshape the world entirely. What if the next force to transform Earth is not nature at all, but something we created? In the next video, we will see. What if AI ruled the Earth?